Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and over here after opening your WhatsApp, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just above the switch accounts, and over here you can see the account option available for us. Tap on account, and over here you can see the two-step verification option available for us just above the change number. Tap on two-step verification, and over here on this interface you can see the turn on option for us just below or the bottom of the screen. Tap on turn on, and you'll be required to create a 60-digit pin which that you can remember, and of that reconfirm your pin over here and tap on save. And over here guys, you can either enter your email address or verify your email address from over here, or you can just skip it. But if you forget your pin number, it will be hard for you to recover your account if you forget your verification code from over here or a two-step verification code from over here. So you can verify your email over here by tapping on next, and a code will be sent to you on your phone number or your email address. Verify yourself over here. I'll not be doing that. I'll be just skipping this process. You can also skip it from a little bit earlier. And with that being done guys, after skipping that verification with the email, your two-step verification will be turned on either ways. And with that being done guys, this is how to turn on your two-step verification. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.